Understanding Brine Solution, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases, specifically looking at the term brine solution. This phrase might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together, making it easy to understand and use in your daily English conversations. Brine solution is a term used in both everyday language and scientific contexts. Simply put, it's a strong solution of salt and water. It's commonly used in cooking, such as for pickling foods or preparing meats. But why is it important to know this term? Let's find out. In cooking, a brine solution is used to enhance the flavor and texture of foods. For example, brining meat before cooking can make it juicier and more flavorful. Similarly, vegetables like cucumbers are often pickled in brine to preserve them and give them a unique taste. This process is a great example of how simple chemistry is applied in everyday cooking. Beyond the kitchen, brine has scientific and industrial applications. It's used in various fields, from chemistry to environmental science. For instance, brine is crucial in the production of certain chemicals and can be used in water treatment processes. Understanding this broader usage helps you grasp the term's significance beyond just food preparation. Now that you know what a brine solution is and where it's used, let's practice using it in sentences. For instance, you might say, "I'm brining the chicken to make it tender," or, "The laboratory uses brine solutions in their experiments." Notice how the context changes the meaning slightly but remains fundamentally about a salt and water mixture. Thank you for joining us in exploring the term brine solution. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and its various uses. Remember, learning English is not just about vocabulary, but understanding the context in which words and phrases are used. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.